Hello friends, this is Rakesh. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will be making a beautiful pen stand, and we will decorate that with a home sign. So let's start. So for making the pen stand, we need to create the basic sketch or the basic structure. For that, we will go to the create sketch and select the top plane. We will the pen stand which we are making is will be round in shape. So we will select circle and click the center point and provide the diameter. So I think 80 will be okay, and we will finish the sketch. After that we will extrude it. So E is the shortcut command for extrude. Let's press the E, then provide the height. We will be making this, I think, 130 height. Yes, now it's look good. So as you know that the pen stand is basically a hollow cylinder type system, na, body. So we need to create a hollow body also. So for that we will do the shelling, and for shelling we will need to create select the face which will be removed. So this face we don't want, and then provide the wall thickness. So 3 will be okay. So let's press OK. So yes, shelling is done. After shelling, let's do this. Now we need to create a plane on which we will make the sketches to decorate the pen stand. For that we need to go to the construction and select tangent plane. After that we need to select the face. We have selected this face, and we don't need to provide angle as we need it to be 0. Then press OK. Now this is the plane is done. Now we need to draw the sketch or whatever you want. So I have taken I will be using an SVG file. So we will go insert SVG file, then from my computer, that's home sign. Yes, it is asking on which plane we wanted to place the sign. So we will select this. Yes, let's move it a bit up. We need to magnify this because it's a bit more. Yes, now it's look good. Yes, let's make it okay. So and finish the sketch. So this is done, the sketch is done. Now we need to put this sketch around this circular body, and we will do the cut part. So for that, Autodesk Fusion has a special command called as embossing. So we'll select the embossing part. Now it is asking to select the profiles. So let's select the profile, this one, 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 this and this. Yes, we have selected all the profiles. Now it is asking on which face we wanted to emboss it. So this face. So by embossing it means it is extruding the part outside, but we don't want extruded part, we wanted cutted part. So that we need to deboss it. So this is the sign for debossing. How much? 2 is okay. Let's deboss it by 2 then do it okay. Yes, so this is how it will look. This is okay. Now what we will do is we will also provide one more part. For that we will select the, first of all we will normalize it to left plane, then create the plane again on the tangent plane again on this surface. Select this. Okay. Now insert, I will be using the second SVG file. So insert it, home, select it, and select the sketch, or not the sketch. Yes, I think it is inverted. So yes, now move it this way. First of all, let's increase the size a bit more. Yes, finish the sketch. So we will do the same part. Emboss. First show the sketch. Now select the sketches which we wanted to emboss. This one, 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 this, 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 this. Yes. Now select the face, and as we know, we need to deboss 2 mm. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Oh yeah, it's done. We need to hide this. Yes. See, it's look good, na? So this is it, guys. I will provide the link in the video for the STL file of this, and if you want to do the practice of this also, I will provide the SVG file also. And if you want to learn how to create the SVG files using Inkscape, I will also provide the link of that video in this in the descriptions.